Let's ask LVTChat to create a complete business plan for a new home healthcare agency in Georgia. The first draft looks great, but one of the biggest advantages of LVTChat is that you can continue improving your work. Let's strengthen the executive summary to make it more compelling for investors. A strong business plan also needs realistic financial projections. Let's have LVTChat estimate startup cost and prepare a simple 3-year financial forecast. A business plan is only useful if you can present it effectively. Let's ask LVTChat to create a concise investor pitch based on everything we have developed. As you have seen, LVTChat can help you develop a business idea, refine your business plan, create financial projections, and even prepare an investor presentation, all within a single conversation. Whether you're starting a new business, growing an existing one, or simply exploring new ideas, LVT Chat provides practical AI assistance to help you work smarter, make better decisions, and move forward with confidence. Visit lvtchat.com to get started today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.